ABC6 weather brought to you by the Preserve Sporting Club and Resort.
The Biden administration is urging Congress to quickly pass a massive disaster relief spending bill. Nearly half of the roughly $100 billion requested will go to FEMA's Disaster Relief Fund. The bill also includes funding for other agencies, including the Departments of Agriculture, Transportation, and the Small Business Administration. And Kelly, I got to say, I'm still connected to several of the people back in Florida, which is where I was before I was here. And they have just now, within the past 2 days, wrapped up some of the emergency relief from Hurricane Helene that happened earlier this year.
Yeah, it's a process, and yeah, I'm sure those dollars would go a long way to help that process along and help people get their lives back to I like to say to do, like the song Do Re Mi, like back to the beginning, back to the start. Anyway, taking a look at some numbers for today. Your average low is 35, your average high is 52. And as we go through the day, you're going to notice that this is anything but an average day. Across Providence, we do have clear skies. We can see every light that wants to twinkle at us. And we have temperatures that are in the 40s to start, not the 30s. So we're starting about 10 degrees warmer than average. We also have wind moving in from the northwest. It is a nice dry wind direction, moving in some cooler Canadian air. So even though yesterday we made it to 64, today we are going to be cooler, even though we're looking at sunshine really from start to finish today. We do have a front that's waiting in the wings, and it's going to wait kind of patiently because it's not going to be able to come through until we get to Thursday. Between here and there, high pressure is going to reign supreme, give us sunshine. We're looking at temperatures this afternoon topping out 5 degrees warmer than average at about 57 downtown, even some isolated spots that could come in closer to 60. Our futurecast shows a much cooler start for your tomorrow, but with a day full of sun, temperatures once again recover well into the 50s. Then we get to Thursday, and this is when we're going to start to bring through rain, which may at times contain areas of locally heavier rain. And that's good. It's going to give us a soaking as we go through the day. And the rain doesn't stop there. As we look ahead, we're expecting an area of low pressure to develop off the coast. And that will likely keep rain in the forecast at least from time to time through the day on Friday, and it looks like even as we go into the first hours of the upcoming weekend. So it's much needed rain. We have the potential as it stands right now in those areas of locally heavier rain to see more than 1.5 inches of precipitation. So it's going to get a nice soaking to the region, should take us out of our red flag fire weather danger area that we've been stuck in. And yeah, this is the second driest fall to date. It's topped by 1946 when we saw 1.86 for the entire fall months. And meteorological fall is September, October, November. So we're almost done with that. Now, our fire weather concern, of course, is still in effect for today. We haven't seen appreciable precipitation. We have the red flag warning in effect for the state of Massachusetts, where outdoor banning really is prohibited. Meanwhile, in Rhode Island and Connecticut, it is strongly advised against. So for today, mostly sunny, cooler. We're headed to highs that will top out well into the 50s. Overnight tonight, mainly clear, low near 36. That's pretty seasonable, what we typically do this time of year. It is so nice to put raindrops on this forecast, I can't even tell you. So Thursday, starting from the actually Wednesday night, going through the day on Thursday into Thursday night, Friday we'll see some showers, and we have a chance of starting early Saturday with some showers as well before we brighten up and dry up to finish the weekend. Cara?